This is stock number 2-46K. It's a 2003 Honda Civic LX. Automatic 1.7. It's got the D17A1 non-VTEC engine. It's got 174, 542 for miles on the car. The motor is a used replacement, mileage unknown. Seems to run okay. It does have a check engine light, and it is for an 0325 knock sensor, bank 1 sensor one. But it doesn't knock, so I'm thinking it's just a bad sensor. Didn't knock when it fired up. You know, I'm parked in, so I can't drive it, but I'll go, yeah, I can go back a little ways, just to show you that the transmission goes in and out of gear nice. Yep. Doesn't slam or anything. I mean, like I said, I'm parked in, so I can't really drive it on the road, but it drove here. This is not one that we picked up. This is one that a customer drove in. This is the motor. Looks pretty clean. Doesn't look like it's that bad. From the looks of it, it looks like it's probably a lot less mileage than the car. And like I said, as far as the knock sensor goes, I'm wondering if maybe somebody bumped it during install. I've seen that happen before, so it might just need a new sensor. Because there's no smoke, there's no knocks, there's no fluid transfers, everything's where it's supposed to be and up to level. Can't really see anything wrong with it, so looks good.